In this video, we will cover how to add a liquid carrier, a liquid product, and a liquid product mix on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Application, press Product, press the Add button. From this screen, we can press to add product, add a product mix, or import a product. To create a carrier, we're going to press Add Product. Under Select Product Type, press the drop-down arrow and select Carrier as the product type. Press Next. Select the correct units for this product. Enter in the EPA number if there is one. Press the keypad button under Carrier Manufacturer if there is a manufacturer. Under Carrier Name, press the keypad button and enter a name for this product. Press the green check mark when done. Press the green check mark again. And as you can see, our new carrier has been added to the products list. To create a liquid product, press the Add button. Press Add Product. Select the correct product type. Select the correct product. Press Next. Press the green check mark. And as you can see, our new product is now in the products list. To create a liquid product mix, press the Add button. Press Add Product Mix. Select between Tank Mix or Dry Blend. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the base amount. Our base amount will be 1 tank's capacity. Select the correct units. Press Next. Press the Add button. Add the first product for this mix. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the total amount of product. This will be in gallons. Press the green check mark when done. Press the green check mark. Press the Add button again. Select the next product to be added to this mix. Press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the amount of this product that will be in this tank mix. Again, this will also be in gallons. When finished, press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. Repeat these steps until all products and their amounts have been added to the list. The remaining amount should be 0 once all products have been added. Press Next. Press the keypad button under Manufacturer and enter the manufacturer's name if there is one. Under Mix/Blend Name, press the keypad button and enter the name for this mix. Press the green check mark when done. Press the green check mark again. And as you can see, our new liquid product mix has been added to the product list. We have now covered how to add a liquid carrier, a liquid product, and a liquid product mix on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.